Today we're removing the front Bose speaker and amplifier from a 1995 Nissan Maxima. We're doing the driver's door today because this speaker or this side has no audio output, and we see these amplifiers quite often in shop for repair. We're going to start with the handhold and take our flathead screwdriver and remove the little cover down inside. This is going to give access to a Phillips screw that we're going to remove. We have many removal guides for this car and other Maximas as well on our website at carstereohelp.com. I'm going to move up to the door handle and pry around the edges of the door handle. This will release some clips that hold this trim panel on. There we go. Get it to release here. Sometimes it takes releasing from the back, then from the front. We're going to remove that panel and set it to the side. I'm going to move down to the bottom of the door panel. There's going to be two screws along the bottom that we're going to remove. These are also Phillips. We're going to remove the insert that goes into the door panel as well. And then we're going to come back and start the bottom edge of the panel and pull the panel back from the door. This is going to release back. We're going to make sure we pull the panel back far enough to clear up over the door handle. And with the panel back, it'll release up off the door. Now this is going to give us access to the back of the panel. We're going to start with the rear unlock. Remove that trigger and connector. Move up to the control panel here at the front and remove that connector as well. These connectors all have triggers on them. This one at the rear hatch or trunk open has a little trigger. You push that down and it releases the connector. We're going to move, as for the control panel on the side, we're going to use a little flathead screwdriver to push the trigger down to release. As for the rear here, we have a little trigger inside on the connector, and we're going to push that trigger down and remove the connector. This one can be a little difficult at times. There we go. And that will remove that one. We're going to remove the door panel from the door. We're going to come back and check the door and the door panel itself for all the clips. We have one clip that remained here on the door. And we're going to remove this clip with our pry tool. And we're going to it slides into the slot, and this will be ready for when we reinstall the door panel. Next we have the Bose speaker and amplifier, and we're going to start with removing the entire enclosure and take this up to the shop, see if we have a speaker or amplifier problem. There are 4 screws that hold this enclosure in place, and one connector on top here. Again, this is push the trigger down on it and wiggle the connector loose. You can see all our removal videos for the Maxima at carstereohelp.com. If you have any questions, please refer to the website and give us a call if you can't find your answer there. This is how you remove the Bose speaker and amplifier from a 1995 Nissan Maxima. Hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.